Adventures of Zach and Peter presents
Stella's Voyage.
Hello there. I am Zach. How are you? Are you fine? Great. Today I will tell you a story. I hope you love stories. Shall we begin? Excellent. Enjoy our featured presentation. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful girl named Stella.
Hello everyone. I am Stella.
Stella had come from a poor family and would work in her family's inn. Darling, may I have a couple of ales for that table, please?
Of course, Father.
Stella often worked with her father, Joseph. She was the apple of his eye. For Joseph, she was the perfect daughter. The inn is busy tonight. I could not be happier.
Yay, it has been doing better.
My daughter, I am concerned. Penny, for your thoughts?
My father. I am fine really. I just have work to do later. Closing the inn and all.
If you say so, then it is fine.
Father, go to bed. I will finish up here.
No, I am really. Fine.
Go on, my father. I will finish up here.
I suppose I am not as young as I used to be.
Who is...
No one. You are absolutely right, my sweet girl. This old man is ready for bed.
Joseph was worried about Stella, but he was feeling too weak to stay awake. He could not shake the feeling. Perhaps it was something in the air.
You sure you will be fine on your own?
Father, I promise I will be fine. What could happen?
I don't know. I just know something does not feel right. Just be careful.
Well, when the pirates come, I will call you.
Please do. Good night, Stella.
And that was it. Joseph went to bed.
So what am I supposed to do now? Customers are almost gone. I suppose I can start closing.
Stella was really tired with her life. She often dreamt of faraway places.
I'm so tired of this place. I wish I can go someplace new. All I do is work and it is the same thing every day. I want so much more.
The thing was, Stella did not know that was the moment her life would change.
A mysterious stranger that she has never seen before walked into the inn.
Hello, gorgeous. May I get an ale?
The inn is closed. You should try elsewhere.
Is that right? Listen, dearie, I don't mean any harm. I just want a drink.
I just said the inn is closed. Please leave.
You will regret telling me that. Have a good night, dearie.
Oh dear. I need to leave. What do you want now?
And all went black.
Stella woke up to find herself on a ship all alone.
Wah. Where am I? Is anyone there? Somebody. Hello?
Boo. To be continued.
Wow.
I was right, Peter.
It got a little spooky there. Don't you think so, Zach? You okay, buddy?
Yes. I think I am okay now.
Okay, here are some words you might have noticed in this story.
Father.
Daughter.
In.
Work.
Ship.
Good job, everyone.
That's all. Goodbye for now.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe for more.